Good morning, guys. Welcome to my channel. I'm Zed. Okay, so today we are going to review one ebook, and this is not just an ebook. This is the ebook about the digital marketing lifestyle. Okay, we often see people to struggle with work and life balance, and finances and more. So basically, this ebook is going to help you to manage all these things. Okay, so the name of the ebook is The Digital Marketing Lifestyle, which is one of the best tutorial, which is one of the best ebook that you will get in the market. Or there are many courses on digital marketing which is not going to help you this much as this book, because it's not like that. Just because I'm giving a review, I'm saying the positive thing only. There are a few drawbacks also, but apart from all these things, this is one of the decent book, and even this book is going to help you in many ways. Okay, so this is the sales page, how it looks. Actually, I do not have a members area access because it is an ebook, not any software that we generally review. So I'm reviewing this ebook only, so I don't have any one copy, but I have gone through the review material. I have gone through the things that are in this ebook, and it made sense, therefore I'm making this review. And apart from this, you are going to get it at, if we go through this and see just for $24 you are going to get it if you buy it now. Okay, and apart from this, if you're going to buy through the link given in the description, I can actually I have made few custom bonuses. These bonuses that you are going to get only in my video and only through me. I have made 5 such bonuses that we are going to discuss in a minute. But let's see, there's one video. It may be
Many
a
of us
kind
got
of
into
tutorial.
digital marketing
Okay, so let's
thinking
check
it was
this
going
out.
to improve our lives in major ways. You may even feel that you were promised by internet marketing gurus that your life would suddenly be easy once you took up this line of work. Digital marketing means working online, and that in turn means working from anywhere and without a boss. So of course, life would be easy. You can choose your own hours, you can work out of coffee shops or from beautiful locations, and you can do it all your own way, without someone breathing down your neck and shouting at you when you get things wrong. What's more, if you manage to achieve a passive income, then you'll be earning money even while you sleep. Passive income means generating cash from a website or YouTube channel or through affiliate sales. It means that even as you are resting, the seeds you sowed continue to reap their rewards. Here's where my advice for you comes in. With my advice, you are going to learn how to prevent yourself from going entirely mad when you work from home. You will learn how to avoid the temptation to sit in front of the TV all day. You will learn to avoid the temptation to squeeze in just a bit more work. You are going to learn how to manage your finances, knowing that you're going to have different amounts of money coming in at different times. You will know if you have what it takes to make your own taxes. To make it easy, I've put together a step-by-step guide that will show you exactly how it's done. Introducing the Digital Marketing Lifestyle, how to manage work-life balance, finances, and more for web workers. No stones are left unturned when you get your hands on this now. You will become a complete expert on this, and you'll get everything you need inside to do the same. Here's just a quick preview of what you'll discover inside. The challenge of digital marketing. Dreamer meet reality. Thinking about money and your work-life balance. The problem, getting the system to work for you. Passion versus reality. Why a side project? How to choose between multiple website and brand ideas. Weighing the options. Compromises. Why anyone can run a business online. So just how long does it take? Be a content creator with passion. Content creation with passion. Looking after your health and happiness as a digital marketer. Mental health. The right gear and setup for staying productive. The right hardware. Building a productive home office. Digital nomad. The program. Steps to a better lifestyle. Plus, a whole lot more. This is the easiest way to manage work-life balance, finances, and more for web workers. Who needs this step-by-step guide? If you answer yes to any of the below, you need this. You want to be an internet entrepreneur. You didn't have success with your first few online businesses. You stay up late and give up your free time only for nothing to happen. You want to be the entrepreneur who looks like $1,000,000. You want to manage work-life balance, finances, and more. Does this sound like exactly what you need? But maybe your question is, how much? If you were going to hire an expert on the matter to show you how it's done, you could easily find yourself investing hundreds of dollars for this sort of coaching. In fact, Many people invest hundreds and thousands of dollars to get into coaching programs or attend workshops, but you won't have to invest anywhere near that today. Although the normal everyday price for this step-by-step guide that would teach you how to manage work-life balance, finances, and more for web workers is $97, but for a limited time, I've slashed the price, and it just keeps getting better. When you make the wise decision to grab this today, you'll get these fast action bonuses. Fast action bonus number 1, the Digital Marketing Lifestyle Cheat Sheet, valued at $27. This cheat sheet is a handy checklist that makes it easy to get started. It breaks up the entire guide into easy-to-follow steps so that you can make sure that you have all the highlights of everything covered inside right at your fingertips. Fast action bonus number 2, the Digital Marketing Lifestyle Mind Map, valued at $17. Some people learn better by looking at a mind map. This mind map gives you an overview of everything covered inside the guide. You can also print it out for quick reference anytime you need it. Fast action bonus number 3, the Digital Marketing Lifestyle Resource Guide, valued at $17. The resource guide gives you a quick point of reference to all of the resources mentioned throughout the guide. This makes it easy to plug in and stick with what you're looking for. Try this guide on my dime, there's no risk. There are a lot of people that claim to offer a solution on how to manage work-life balance, finances, and more, so it's understandable if you're a little skeptical. I can keep telling you just how great my guide is, but you really need to go through it and see for yourself what it's all about to know if it's for you. That's why I'm going to give you a full 30 days to decide if this is for you. If for any reason or no reason at all you're not 100% satisfied with what's inside, simply send me an email and I'll refund every penny of your tiny investment. No questions asked. Click the button below now to lock in a huge discount and get instant access. Thank you so much for taking the time to take a look at this extremely limited offer that has a...
So this was the video. You see, in this demo video everything has been explained, and the thing that I found most tempting is that you can get all your money back within 30 days if you're not satisfied with the book. But I basically say it is not ethical to do so, because we all know electronic product cannot be returned. It's once purchased, it will be with you, and basically if you ask for refund, then the owner will refund it, but you will get it for free and the owner has to bear the loss, and it doesn't sound ethical, right? So don't do that, because it's not just big deal. $24, that too now along with 3 bonuses that they are offering, which is going to ultimately help you only. Okay, so in this sales page we find these all things, the columns and everything that has been on the video, and this is the ebook that you will get, that you can access on anywhere, be it on laptop or iPads or your mobile phone. You can access it anywhere since it's an ebook. So what you will get inside you have already seen in the video, like what are the things that are inside. Who need this step by step guide? Yeah, it has been explained. Okay, and it's a super sale that is just going to get you're going to get it in $24 only. And after this offer, this book has been released a week ago. Okay, so I'm reminding you, this has been released a week ago and the offer is still going on. So if you go through my link, you may get all these offers, and apart from this you are also going to get bonuses that I have made. So these 3 bonuses are custom made. The vendor has provided these bonus, like it has been explained in the video also. These 3 bonuses. Apart from that, if you click on the link below in the description, you're going to go through this page. Okay, so this page, if you click here, it will directly take you, let me open it, it will directly take you to the it will directly take you to this sale page that I was earlier referring. Okay, so this bonus page, I have made this bonus page, it's custom made. Okay, and you see I have given few description about what the product is all about. There's few images, and if you're still confused, you can go through all this thing, and actually you can also search for this thing in Google also. You may get few articles over there, but these are the simple thing that you're gonna get, and I have made this written this on my own. Okay, and this 30-day money back guarantee, and this bonus number 1, the value of this bonus is $427, guys. This is insane, right? What you will get in this bonus, this is also a software which is going to get you 90% of your ad spend for being an AdWord. This is basically a tutorial that is going to help you to get your ad spend for being an AdWords. Okay, so this is really great value you're going to get it in my bonus. And the second bonus is how to get unique content. This is a good thing for if you're on YouTube. You know the content is one of the most important thing that you should have. Okay, so how to get unique content on your pages without writing a word. So this is also a hack. It's also an ebook. Since I am reviewing an ebook, therefore I have choose ebooks to offer in this bonus. And my bonus number 3 is access over 500 royalty free. This is basically a YouTube video that I have compiled and have shown you in this video that from where you can get royalty free music, background music, and these musics that I also use in my videos. Okay, and the bonus number 4 is how to make $100 a day. um, i have I have reviewed this one also. It is going to be soon on YouTube. Okay, so this is a complete tutorial on how to earn, how to make $100 a day from laptop with free traffic. Okay, so organically you're gonna grow, and this is also a great value. It's of $267 that I'm providing you for free just with this ebook. And this bonus number 5 is the special bonus, the vendor bonus that you're gonna get if you open it through my link. Okay, so go check this out. Go read the sales page, see what are there. If you find it interesting, go buy it. Okay, so I have shown you the sales page, I have shown you the video, I have shown you the bonus that you'll get. Okay, so this brings me to the end of the video. See you guys, bye. And yes, if you haven't subscribed to me, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. Okay, have a good day.